Guys, if I'm filming right now, I just want you guys to know that this might either be a fishing show or an entertainment comedy show. Well, I should probably put this in the correct way. Oh, this was a dumb idea. Okay. Okay. All right. Sweet. Looks kind of cloudy. We're actually gonna go fishing where we did before. So let's get to it. I'm gonna call the freaking warden and tell him that you're molesting the eagles. Look out. And again, this over here is gorgeous. Baby frogs and everything else. Oh, it's a bat. No, it's not a bat. Yeah. Come here and chill out, bro. This dude is probably not happy. Cool, my first kayak fish. Good to go. See ya, Daniel. Yeah. Got another one. All right, second fish of the day. Still on the kayak. See ya, Joshua.
You shall not pass.
What a jerk. I'll just plow right through the middle. Do a Marvin. What are they doing back there, man? Do they not know what we're doing? Okay. What? I know you guys are watching this video. What are you guys doing back there? Dude, you are missing like Fish City, and I just completely f***ed it up. Fish? Really?
Yeah.
Try again? Hold on, I'm trying to figure out how to stop this thing from crashing into you. Fish? Oh.
Maybe it wasn't here. Stick.
Well, it was something. It's just fishing in a kayak is hard. Like, this is ridiculous. Don't swing back there. Throw it back there. Let's see if I can throw it back there.
I'm gonna try to spin myself around. Oh, I might have to fish. I got fish.
Do you? How you doing with fish? Yeah, buddy. You wanna let him back in? You name him. Mike?
See you, Matt.
Oh God, give him. Dude, help me get it. There's a fish on it too. Dude, I can't get my rod. There's a fish. Oh my, there's a fish on it, man. It took me away. Am I filming? Yes, I'm filming. Come on, save the fish. I got my rod and everything in the water, and there's a fish on it, and is this still on there?
I think you're just snagged on it. You're snagged. You're snagged over there.
Dang. Oh.
This should be fun. Oh, Jesus.
This is probably the I told you, man. This is gonna be the stupidest thing I've ever done. Okay. Okay. There's gotta be a way over this log. Oh shit. This is great. Okay. Here we go. Okay. See if I can get over this branch. I am way over this branch. Come on, come on. I'm almost over here. Okay, let's think this through. So now I'm over it. Okay. Okay. Why? Who did? I didn't, you did. I'm still blaming you. All right. Would you still consider this my third fish kayak fishing? Yes. All right. That's all that matters to me. All right. This is my third fish kayaking. All right. See you, Clifford. Yeah, buddy. Definitely not gonna do what I did a minute ago. That would be stupid. I'm gonna go around it. Marvin, what you doing? Mike, what are you doing? Here, Mike, yeah, here, I'm gonna go in front of you. I'll get out of your casting way, but I just need to get out of here. I felt claustrophobic. I'm afraid of Santa Claus. Oh, I got a big one. Oh my gosh. Wow. I don't know. I'm trying to get out. Help me! Ah. Oh my gosh. No, it was okay. I'm filming. I'm still filming. Oh, thank God. Look at, oh shit, be careful. Don't, ow. The hook just went in my foot. Oh my gosh, dude, look at this thing. I am still stuck. Here, somebody pull me out, please.
Look at that. Oh. Grab it to the rod.
Got it.
Okay.
Are you able to backpedal?
I can right here. Oh, you got a spider on your kayak too.
Where?
That's all right. Right there. You got a little friend.
I got two friends. Get out of here, spiders. Oh my gosh.
Oh, how much? Like 5?
No.
No, he's 3.5.
Let's find out.
He's gonna be 3.5.
I'm gonna say maybe 3 1/4.
Oh.
No. 2.93. Almost a 3-pounder. Okay.
2.9? Wow, that didn't look 2.9.
Oh my gosh, dude, this thing put up a fight. Holy crap. Awesome. Awesome. Thanks, man. All right, this guy, this is definitely gonna be Timmy. All right, Timmy. I'll see you, guy.
Wake up.
You put up a fight. Yeah. Heck yeah. I think that was my 4th fish. Yeah, 4th. All right, I just want one more. Number 5's a pretty decent one too. Stop it. You're just making a mess of yourself. Okay. Fish number 5. Alrighty. See ya, Anna. Nice. Alright, so I caught 5 fish out here on the kayak. I gotta head in because I gotta go to a bass fishing meeting, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Peace.